Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the Scalping Broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select Scalping Brokers, and then click on Go to Website. You enter the website, click on Sign Up, and then you go to the Registration section. In this section, you enter your email address, and then choose a password, which I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the information, click on Sign Up. In the next step, you select your country, and if you are a US citizen, you uncheck this box. If not, you check this box. Then click on Complete Registration. In the next step, you enter your first name and last name and click on Continue. In the next step, you enter your date of birth and click on Continue. In the next step, you enter your mobile phone number and then click on Continue. In the next step, you select your tax country, country of birth, and nationality and click on Continue. In the next step, you enter your complete address and postal code along with the city and click on Continue. In the next step, you select your financial status and then click on Continue. In the next step, you enter your trading experience and click on Continue. Then you confirm the website's terms by checking the box and click on Continue. You click on Found Your Account. You enter your cabin. Your account has been created. And to work with the scaling website, you must submit documents such as ID card, passport, etc. Good luck.